Hello everyone, my name is Ted Lewis C. Managbanag. Today I will be the discussing to you a scientist who a prestigious scientist from the Philippines, Dr. Gregorio T. Velasquez, pioneering Filipino scientist in the field of ecology. His early life In his early life, Dr. Velasquez was born in 1901 in the Philippines. He pursued his studies in the University of the Philippines where he developed a strong interest in algae research. Now, did answer your question, no, Dr. Velasquez did not study overseas. He studied and finished here in the Philippines. Even though he had limited resources, he persevered and was able to be renowned. Now known as the father of Philippine ecology, his research on blue-green algae helped establish the study of freshwater and marine algae in the country. His impact has contributed to environmental and marine biology research. He was recognized as a national scientist of the Philippines and was awarded the Guggenheim Fellowship in 1956. Would you believe that? The, one of our Filipinos got, got a somewhat Nobel Prize. Somewhat. One of his key contributions was his dedication to studying Vivularia, a genus of the cyanobacteria. His In his research remains influential in ecological studies that many students have learned from and used. So in conclusion, Gregorio T. Velasquez's contributions to science continues to benefit the study of marine biology. His legacy is reminded of the importance of scientific research. Here are the credits of my where I find my knowledge and here and thank you and good night.